नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तवृंदा. Rejuvenating text 3 of chapter 3, Rushabdev's appearance of 5th canto, the creative impetus of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 3. अथ तमाविषकृत भुजयुगलद्वयं हिरण्मयं पुरुषविशेषं कपीश कौशेयांबर धरमुरसी बिलसचश्री वत्सललाममो दरवर वन रुहवनमाला च छूर्य मृतमणिगदा दीभिरुपलक्षितं स्फुटकिरणप्रवर मुकुटकुण्डल कटककटी सूत्रहार केयूरनु पुराद्यंगभूषण विभूषित मृत्विक सदस्य गृहपत यो अधना इवोत्तम धनमुपलभ्य सबहुमान मरहणे नावनत शिरशाण उपतस्थुः. Lord Vishnu appeared before King Nabhi with 4 arms. He was very bright and he appeared to be the best of all personalities. Around the lower portion of his body, he wore a yellow silken garment. On his chest was the mark of Shri Vatsa, which always displays beauty. He carried a conch shell, lotus flower, disc and club, and he wore a garland of forest flowers and the Kaustubha gem. He was beautifully decorated with a helmet, earrings, bangles, belt, pearl necklace, armlets, ankle bells, and other bodily ornaments bedecked with radiant jewels. Seeing the Lord present before them, King Nabhi and his priests and associates felt just like poor people who have suddenly attained great riches. They received the Lord and respectfully bent their heads and offered him things in worship. It is distinctly mentioned here that the Supreme Personality of Godhead did not appear as an ordinary living being. He appeared before King Nabhi and his associates as the best of all personalities, Purushottama. As stated in the Vedas, Nityo Nityanam Chetananam. The Supreme Personality of Godhead is also a living being, but he is the supreme living being. In Bhagavad Gita 7.7, Lord Krishna himself says, Matataha parataram nanyat kinchida asti dhananjaya. O conqueror of wealth, Arjun, there is no truth superior to me. No one is more attractive or more authoritative than Lord Krishna. That is one of the differences between God and an ordinary living being. According to this description of the transcendental body of Lord Vishnu, the Lord can easily be distinguished from all other living beings. Consequently, King Nabhi and his priests and associates all offered the Lord obeisances and began to worship him with various things. As stated in the Bhagavad Gita 6.22, Yama labdva chaparam labham manyate nadhikama tattah. That is, upon gaining this, one thinks that there is no greater gain. When one realizes God and sees the Lord face to face, one certainly thinks that he has gained the best of all things. Raso api asya param drushva nivartate. When one experiences a higher taste, his consciousness is fixed. After seeing the Supreme Personality of Godhead, one ceases to be attracted by anything material. One then remains steady in his worship of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.